Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Are you happy today?
Yes, sir.
I am going to take a model lesson for mini teacher. Okay. This is from 8th standard. 8th standard. I think most of the points that you have already known, right? But this is a model lesson. You are 8th standard student. So if you know the answer, you give. Otherwise, you say, I don't know, then I will give it. Right. Before I go into the topic, I would like to tell a small story. One boy, he used to go to the hospital all the time. His mother will accompany him all the time. The doctor will ask, what is the reason you are coming every week? And doctor said, if it is continued, we have to check him clearly. Please find out what is the reason for this problem. The doctor told his mother, you please find out what is the reason for that. Then mother decided to watch the boy. Wherever this fellow goes, like Hatchdog mother, you know Hatchdog? Hatch advertisement on dog will, wherever you go that will come. In that way, mother decided to follow the boy. No, he found one great reason. Whenever he goes to one room in the corner, it's a very dusty place. The next day he got cold. That week he took him to the doctor and doctor gave some treatment. Next week, the same way when he enters, the mother cracked him. Hey, why did you go there? Then the boy asked, why ma, what is there in that room? Oh, that is full of dust. Okay, can you guess what may be the reason for that? I told it is full of dust. Is this non-living organism attacks you? Is this non-living organisms or any dust is responsible for the cold? Then, what may be the other? Microorganism. You are 8th standard student, right? So immediately she cut the point. Microorganism. Microorganism. So micro means very small. Very small organisms. Can we see the microorganism with our own eyes? Then we need microscope. Have you ever seen this microscope in your life? Have you ever seen this microscope in your life? No, just now I am showing this microscope, right? Yesterday night I prepared for you. Right? How is it? Does it look like microscope?
Yes, sir.
My children are always appreciating me. Is it really looks like microscope?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen microscope earlier?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is what the microscope. I think you might have learned clearly about this. This is what the microscope. So this is the procedure we have to use when you take or hold it, right? So this is the microscope usually used to find out which microorganism, right? Good. So this is called a compound microscope. This is called compound microscope. Before this, lot of microscopes have been used. Look at that. This is one simple microscope. Only the light and small lens. Okay. Then they made it another one. We can call it as the evolution of microscope to the other level. Right? This is also a basic one. Here some adjustments are there, right? So these are the microscope evolutions. New microscope have been found out to find the microorganisms. Now I want to show one pictures to you. This is what the advanced microscope. Use of fluorescent microscope. Okay, electron microscope. You can see one picture there. That is what? Electron microscope. Nowadays, very minute organisms are identified with the help of microorganisms. Right. So, in this class, we are going to learn something about microorganisms. Various microorganisms are there because no, all these microorganisms are differ in size. All the organisms are differ in size. Very minute organisms are called as microorganisms. You and me are also organisms, right? You and me are the organisms in this world. This, no, look at this. When you go and see the size of the microorganism, it is measured with microns. What's that?
Microns.
Microns. And millimicrons. Millimicrons. Have you ever seen this in your life? This is what? This is scale. So usually, what are the measures are present here? Centimeter and inches, right? Millimeter is very one line, right? Centimeter. Here I am going to show what is the micron. What is that? Microns and millimicrons. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10,000 microns. How much? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 10,000 microns. Then to think about this, how minute it's, how minute. You can't see with the help of our naked eye. We need microscope. We need microscope, and now we are having advanced microscopes. And 1 micron is equal to 1000 millimicrons. There are some organisms below than microns. Below than microns. Right. I think you know very well about the lists of microorganisms. Bacteria, virus, and algae, fungi, and protozoans. Okay, so these are the microorganisms are present in the world. Everywhere it is present. When we are very healthy, this will not affect us. When we are not healthy, they start their work. They start to attack us. Right? So that what we have to eat well, we have to do exercise well, we have to sleep well, and we need to maintain our body fit. Okay? Right. So in this list, we are going to learn about virus. We are going to learn about
Virus.
virus. What is the meaning of virus? Do you have any idea? What's the meaning of virus? What's the meaning of virus? Any idea you have? Virus is the word. Which word? Which language? Virus is from Latin word. Virus is a word derived from Latin. The meaning of virus is poison. Meaning of virus is poison. Okay. So you are 6th standard, 8th standard students. Only the limited portions have been given about the virus. Right. When you study about animals, usually we will call it as, the study of animal is zoology. Shall we